Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Septia Rahayu. My NPM is 2341215 and I'm from accounting 23A class. This time I will explain a little about what the role of account is in decision making. So, accountants have evolved far beyond their traditional role of recording transactions and preparing financial statements. Modern accountants serve as strategic business partners who provide critical financial information that drive managerial decisions. They transform raw data into meaningful insight that help managers understand profitability, cost structures, and resource allocation opportunities. This transformation process is essential because makers cannot effectively choose between alternatives without accurate, timely financial information. Accountant analyze complex financial data and present it in formats that non-financial manager can understand and use confidently. Accountant play a central role in management control system by designing performance measurement framework that align employee behavior with organizational goals. They create budgeting system, cost allocation methods, and performance metrics that guide managerial decisions at every level. When accounting establishes the system, they influence how managers evaluate opportunities, assess risks, and allocate resources. For example, when a company considers expanding to a new market, accountants provide detailed cost-benefit analysis that show whether the investment will generate sufficient return. This analytics support prevent managers from making decisions based solely on intuition or incomplete information. That accountants contribute to the decision making through three key control mechanisms: result control, action control, and personal control. In result control, accountant define what performance measure matter most and establish target that guide decision making. They ensure that manager focus on metric that truly reflect organizational success rather than superficial indicator. In action control, accountant design, producer, and police that standardize decision process, reducing the likelihood of errors or unethical choice. Most importantly, in personal control, accountant help identify the right people for key position and create training programs that develop decision-making capabilities. These three control type work together to create a decision-making environment that balance freedom with accountability. Important contribution by showing that accountant must consider the timing of information delivery in decision-making process. They agreed the information is only valuable if it arrives when decision maker need it, not too early when it might be relevant, and not too late when decisions have already been made. This timing principle remains crucial today because modern business operate in fast-changing environment where delays can cost millions. Accountant must design information system that provide real-time or near real-time data, enable managers to respond quickly to market changes, competitive threats, or operational problem. The ability to deliver timely information distinguishes effective accountants from those who merely maintain historical record. Beyond technical skills, accounting must possess strong communication ability to influence decision making effectively. Uh, Accountant who cannot explain complex financial concept in simple language will struggle to influence non-financial manager. The must translate numbers into business stories that highlight opportunities, risks, and recommendation. This communication skills is especially important when accountants present recommendation that conflict with management preference. They must build credibility through accuracy, demonstrate objectivity through and evidence, and maintains professionalism even when facing pressure to manipulate results. Trust is the foundation of the accountant's influence on decision making, and it must earn through consistent performance over time. Accountants contribute to strategy decision making by analyzing competitive advantage and market positioning. They use tools like activity-based costing, value chain analysis, and benchmarking to identify where to company characters value and where to lose money. This analysis help executive decades whether to enter new markets, exit underperforming segments, invest in technology, or change pricing strategies. Accountants provide the quantitative foundation for strategic choice that shape the company's long-term direction. Without this analytic support, strategic decision become quiz rather than informed choice based on data. Accounting play a critical role in budgeting and forecasting, serve as formal resource allocation decision throughout the years. Accountant prepare this budget by collecting data from various departments, analyzing historic trend, and incorporating management expectation. They also create forecasts that update budget based on current condition, allowing manager to adjust dedication as circumstances change. This continuous planning process ensures the dedication remain aligned with organizational goals even when the environment changes. The ethical dimensions of accountant role in decision making cannot be overlooked. Accountant must maintain integrity, objectivity, and professional competence when providing information for discussion. They must refuse to manipulate a number to support desired outcomes even when pressured by senior management. Credibility of accounting information depends entirely on the trust trustworthiness of the accountants who prepare it. If managers believe accountants are best or dishonest, they will ignore accounting information and make decisions based on other sources which may be less reliable. Therefore, ethical behavior is not just a professional requirement but a practical necessity for accounting to maintain their influence on decision making. Modern technology has transformed how accounting support decision making. Advanced software, artificial intelligence, and data analytics enable accounting to process vast and amounts of information quickly and identify partners the humans might miss. Accountants who master these technologies and provide deeper insight and more accurate forecasts than traditional methods. They can analyze customer behavior, predict sales trade, optimize pricing, and identify cost-saving opportunities they were previously invisible. This technology capability expands the accountant role from information provider to strategist advisor who helps shape business strategy. In conclusion, accounting play a multi-cat role in decision making that extends far beyond traditional bookkeeping. They provide financial information, design control system, create budget and performance analysis, strategy option, ensure ethical standards, and leverage technology for better insight. Accounting to all for reference, accounting are essentially partnered in managerial discussion making because they bring analytic rigor, objective, and financial expertise that complete managerial intuition and experience. Organization that recognize and analyze this value will make better education and are assist superior performance. Thank you for watching and